An orthodontic treatment is defined efficient when it is able to achieve the established results in the shortest possible time. The time factor is a key factor, both from a biological point of view, by decreasing the risk of root resorption, and friendly economy of treatment for the patient. Of paramount importance is the formulation of a structured treatment planning, taking for granted the awareness of the treatment objectives. Digital 3D visualization support diagnostic and planning. Inadequate treatment timing or communication can prolong treatment unnecessarily, compromising treatment quality. A treatment plan and clear awareness of goals are important. Smile Design is now supported by digital diagnostics, visualization of the treatment plan, and the use of clinical navigation. From a biomechanical point of view, the first source of inefficiency is the loss of anchorage. The source of the loss of anchorage may be the lack of consistency of the treatment plan. It is difficult to distinguish between active and passive units. This challenge is related to the knowledge and experience of the orthodontist. In the digital age, it is managed by the clinician through staged treatment designed at DDP-Ortho. In any range is shown in this diagram. The second reason for inefficiency is due to biomechanics. It is exclusively correlated with materials and mechanical factors. From this point of view, the visualization of correct biomechanical data supports treatment planning decisions. Biomechanical 3D vector analyses powered by Giorgio Fiorelli in DDP-Ortho as the first ever clinical tool for repeatable and fast calculation of treatment scenarios. Now it is not difficult to imagine and see the appropriate force and torque to decide on any use of intraoral or extradental anchors, and wires with a low deflection ratio make the later task much easier for the orthodontist. Science and evidence-based digital tools of DDP-Ortho support typical clinician. Subsequent advantages for the patient's quality of life are presented before treatment start. The staged orthodontics, interdisciplinary treatment of adult patients, including not excluding patients with periodontal problems, represents a clear example in which to apply the biomechanical 3D vector analyses concepts. This tool will enable calculation of the resultant vector, that is summing up the given force vectors in 3D space to see the actual treatment needs. Calculation of vector values, that is adding and subtracting a vector from a vector to consider a lot of clinical information. Replacement of the force calculated for the patient, but non-applicable, visualized as hanging next to the model into two equivalent ones, that is couple replacement with the application points on the model surface. This way to find the optimal anchorage points for the appliance. You will now be able to determine which individualized treatment plan to adopt and follow. You will be able to check different configurations of the relevant biomechanical systems. You will be able to check how important accuracy and precision are when using braces. We work quick and precisely, not by eye. More tools are planned. Start working at DDP-Ortho and take advantage of biomechanical 3D vector analyses powered by Giorgio Fiorelli. We help in learning biomechanics and its clinical applications. Anyone can be a good biomechanist in clinical orthodontics. We invite you to cooperate.